Hello and good day. Today we are going over scan food option. From the main menu, we will click on snack. This will bring up the add snack meal menu. At the top of the page, under the macro count for the meal, you will see the search quick add bar. To the right of the outlined in red is the scan food button. Press this button. This will bring up your scanner to scan the UPC code from the food you are adding to the meal. Here we have quick 1-minute oatmeal. To the right of the food description is the green plus button. Push this button. Now we are taken to the quick add menu. Here we can change the measurement type. You can change the measurement from cups, ounces, or even grams. We'll stay with cup. We can also add the food scanned to a category so we don't have to keep scanning the food, and it will be archived for later use in the category we choose. Let's save this food to the core category where it is best suited. Here, you'll see quick 1-minute oatmeal has been added to the meal, and it has also been added to the core category. Let's go back to the main menu and double check if the food has been added, and also show you another way to scan foods. Click the back arrow in the top left corner. Now we are in the main menu. Press the hamburger menu in the top left corner outlined in red. Here we have all the food category menus. We will push the core food menu outlined in red. Now we have the core food menu, and we will click the plus green button on the bottom of the screen in red. From there, the quick menu will pop up. We will select scan food. Our scanner will pop up again, and we will scan the same UPC code we did earlier. You will notice the same food has popped up. You will also notice that the green button has turned into a blue checkmark button. This means the food is already added in the core foods category. Remember, if the food is scanned from a meal, that food will be added to the meal and the category of your choice. Now if the food is scanned from the quick menu in a category of your choosing from the food category menu found in the main menu by hitting the hamburger menu, that food will only be saved to that category only. This is how a food is scanned and a few tips to help you with the use of the app. Have a wonderful day.